Hello prom fans, we are here today to talk about some of the latest trends in prom accessories. Food corsages. That's right, ladies and gents, no longer have to wait for the appetizer or the meal to be served. They can carry their food as a tasteful accessory.
Here's your corsage.
Oh my god, I love it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you. I have one for you too.
Oh, it looks delicious.
It is.
I'm so happy about my croissant boutonniere.
If your date happens to be gluten-free, don't worry, we've got you covered.
Now I ain't no chicken. Peacock, peacock.
But you are a bit of a ham.
Wah, wah.
Those first two might be tasty, but what about an attractive way to display your food? What about those who are truly health conscious? Our own Robbie Costello has you covered.
That's right. I love broccoli. I love it so much, I made 3 songs about it. 4th on the way. So out of my love for this precious green beauty, I got my date a broccoli corsage.
Ew, seriously? I hate broccoli and you didn't even dress up.
More for me! It's broccoli on a veggie sheet. It's broccoli on a veggie sheet. It's a vegetable that'll keep you full. It's a vegetable keep you full.
So why get your date something pretty that serves no purpose? Get them something tasteful. Give your prom date Corsage Cuisine.
Corsage Cuisine is to dine for.